drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, body in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate MCs are rare.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mike D Kicks back with a video. It's been a while, but today's a special day. It's Bred 11 Day, Saturday, December 14th, and I just went and picked up my Bred 11s that I won on the Foot Locker reservation. I wanted to give you guys a look at them. You've probably seen a million videos on them already, but I wanted to give you my thoughts on them. I do have the pair from, I believe it was 2012. I believe that's when it was. The last time they came out, I got them, and I want to see how these look. Alright, so if this is your first time watching the video, please feel free to like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I really appreciate it. Alright, we'll get a look at these and we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we're back. Let's read off the tag for this box. This came with your standard box, nothing special. Style is black, true red, white. Okay, retail price of these is $220. All right, standard black paper. Jordan kind of placard looking thing. Okay, it says one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying it's gotta be the shoes. Okay. All right. Well, here we go. The Air Jordan 11 Bred for 2019. Alright, you got your high cut patent leather. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice quality. I do like them. They look very similar to the ones that I have at home. I don't see a lot of difference. Maybe the leather's a little bit higher, but I could be wrong about that. I'd have to go home and look at them and just try to compare them. Yeah. There isn't really a lot that needs to be said about this shoe because it really speaks for itself. You know, this shoe is like the thing said, is one of the most iconic shoes ever. You know what I mean? The Bred 11, the Jordan. I mean, come on, you recognize this anywhere. But I did get these off the Foot Locker reservation app, which I figured I would because it was, what I was hearing, there was going to be a lot of pairs, so it wasn't going to be like a super limited release. So I figured chances were pretty good with the 10-minute head start to get them. And I like the process. You just go right in, pick up the shoes, and go. You know, there's no waiting around anything. So I just wanted to make this short. You know, I picked them up. It really isn't a lot to say about the shoe. But put your comments down below. Do you like these better, or do you like the previous ones better? I believe it was 2012. I could be wrong. But how do you guys feel about these? Do you like these better or the ones before? And also, did you guys hit? Until the next time, I'll talk to you guys. I'll try to make more videos, be a little bit more, you know, consistent with it. But there's just working a lot of other things going on. But I will make some more videos. All right. You guys have a blessed, beautiful Saturday in New York. It's kind of gloomy, rainy out, kind of cold, 40 degrees out. But I'm going home to play Modern Warfare all day today. I hate that game, but I love it. It's a hate-love relationship. Hopefully I don't snap any controllers today. That'll be a positive day if that doesn't happen. All right, but I'll talk to you guys, and peace out.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.